Hello friends, in a previous video we saw how to get the file names from a particular folder, and so we can print the file names from particular folder or from various subfolders using os.work. Now if we want to print the file name, instead of printing it directly here, we want to add it to a CSV file, we can do it in a simple way. So we'll import CSV. So we have already got OS, we will add CSV. Just for your information, if you do not understand OS, you can look into my previous videos wherein it explains how to extract the file names from various folders and subfolders. So to add the file names to CSV, we'll import CSV, and then I have already got a CSV file here. So if I open it, you can see it doesn't have anything, doesn't have a content, and it's a CSV file. So we'll add the file names here. So what we do is we use a command csv.writer, and we give it a name, say so what's the name of the file? temp.csv, and we assign a name, say w is equal to, now we want it in to write, hence we'll use w plus. So read is r and write is w plus. Now okay, sorry, first we need to open it, and then we need to write f is equal to csv dot writer, and then the name w. Now if we just comment these, then and check if it works. So it's not showing any error. Now let's use instead of this, we would write we want to write the file, and so it should be f dot write row, and then the file name. We'll comment this and see if we get the error. So now let's check if so you can see using the command we could write all the the program has already added all the file names to the CSV file, hence it's coming as read only. So okay, just this. So this is the way we can add an entire file name, list of files to a CSV file. In the coming videos, we'll learn more. So thank you.